Every great innovation begins with a dream. For Kaledawit, his journey started in high school with a bold vision to become one of the best electronics engineers and to develop digital products that transform lives. As a teenager, Kaledawit was captivated by the world of technology. He spent hours imagining solutions, building prototypes, and dreaming of a future where he could design groundbreaking electronics. To pursue his dream, Kaledawit studied computer science at Bahir Dar University in abroad, completing both his bachelor's and master's degrees. Through years of dedication and self-directed study, he acquired advanced skills in embedded systems, bridging his academic knowledge with hands-on practical experience. Studying engineering was his first step toward achieving his dream. He focused on mastering the fundamentals and challenging himself through real-world projects to bring his ideas to life. During his university years, Kaledawit immersed himself in learning the complex details of hardware circuit design and software integration. He refined his skills in schematic capture, printed circuit board design, and firmware development, a tangible way to becoming an expert in embedded systems. After a decade of experience in hardware development, Kaledawit shaped his career around designing and developing commercially viable electronic systems. He mastered key technical skills, including schematic capture and PCB design, preparing computer-aided design and manufacturing files for CNC machines, bill of materials documentation, system firmware development and hardware-software integration. Equipped with these skills, Kaledawit established his own electronics manufacturing company, Kale General Electronics and Machinery Manufacturing Private Limited Company. The company focuses on energy-efficient product development, solar-powered home appliances, and innovative radio technology instruments. His goal was not just to create electronics but to solve real-world problems with energy-efficient, scalable solutions. From solar light system to advanced radio technology. Under Kaledawit's leadership, the company has developed impactful products, including solar-powered systems, radio technology tools, and embedded devices designed to improve efficiency and sustainability in Ethiopia and beyond. Innovation, dedication, and years of experience have shaped Kale Electronics into a front-runner in electronics manufacturing. What started as a company focused on solar home systems and radio receiver boards has evolved into a pioneer in advanced technology solutions. At Kale Electronics, we've spent years perfecting electronics for energy-efficient solutions and communication systems. Now, we're applying that expertise to revolutionize air traffic surveillance with our advanced ADS-B receiver systems. Let me show you how it works. The heart of an advanced air traffic surveillance system lies in two essential components, the receiver hardware and the integrated monitoring system. Kale Electronics has designed a state-of-the-art ADS-B receiver that integrates seamlessly with radar and GPS technology. ADS-B technology represents the future of air traffic monitoring. Aircraft equipped with ADS-B transmitters broadcast critical information. Our receivers capture this data in real time, providing unparalleled situational awareness and safety. Over the past decade, he dedicated to turning a dream into reality. His dream to establish an electronics manufacturing industry here in Ethiopia. As an individual, he achieved what looked impossible, designing, manufacturing, and commercializing innovative electronic systems, from solar home appliances to advanced aviation technologies. But today, we stand in front of you with a greater purpose. Kale Electronics has proven its capability to innovate and deliver groundbreaking technologies. But like every great vision, growth requires collaboration. This is the moment where dreams transform into legacies. We've reached a critical stage in our journey from a startup to becoming a commercialized product manufacturer. To grow up, We're inviting angel investors, idea financing institutions, and government entities to partner with us. Your support can accelerate our transition from the startup stage to a sustainable growth stage. With your cooperation, imagine a future where Ethiopia stands as a leader in electronics manufacturing, contributing to global advancements in energy, aviation, and IoT technologies. He built this company with passion, persistence, and belief in a brighter future for Ethiopia. But now, it's time to take the next step. It's time to grow this company into a global leader, one that leaves a footprint for the next generation to boom in the age of AI and digital transformation. This is not just about business, it's about building a legacy. A legacy where Ethiopia is recognized as a hub for electronics innovation. A legacy where future generations can swim confidently in the ever-evolving AI age. We are strongly asking for your support, your investment to help us grow Kale Electronics into a sustainable, world-class company. Join us. Invest with us. Let's create a brighter, more innovative future together. Thank you for watching. Please contact us with the following address.